Hi, I'm David Dorn with Men's Performance Clinic. If you're like most of our clients, before you come into the clinic for the first time, you're doing your research. You're looking around and seeing what are the treatments that are available, what options do I have, what are the places near me. You know, who can I trust? Who seems believable? Does this treatment seem like one that is likely to be effective? Is it going to work for me? Those are the questions I'd be asking. Let me tell you what we do at Men's Performance Clinic that's different and I think better than most other places out there. First of all, we start with a comprehensive assessment. We do blood testing, we do a thorough evaluation so that we have a clear idea and you can get a clear idea of exactly why you're having the problem that you're having. And then based on that information, our medical team creates a customized treatment plan to help you get the results that you want, that are going to be lasting. We don't give out pills or shots or one treatment for everybody where just to fix the symptoms in the short term. We want to help you address the underlying cause of the problem and get lasting results. If blood flow is an issue, we have a safe and effective treatment to actually improve your blood flow. If hormone levels are not what they once were, we have a safe and effective program to optimize your hormones to help you feel stronger and better. And our medical team are experts in safely improving hormone levels. And it's not, testosterone programs are not like Tylenol. Wherever you get the Tylenol, you take 2 Tylenol, it's the same thing. Testosterone is customized. And it's very important that you are with a physician or a group that has a safe and effective approach. Because if not, there can be some downside risk to testosterone. So if you have questions about your personal situation, whether or not our treatment plan is right for you, call me. Or schedule an appointment and come on in. I'd love to talk to you. Thank you.